Invite His Excellency Widodo G. Macraig. He's the ambassador to the Philippines to give us a few opening words.
Magandang umaga, good morning, Mr. Lim and the team from DBS. I'd like to say first of all, thank you to the DBS team. I'm sure the Filipinos, yes, #1 bank in Singapore. Majority of you are probably using DBS as their bank. So it's a company that is not just credible, but is really of service to all of you. So after Mr. Lim's statements, we now know why DBS is very, very successful. Anyway, you've heard all of me before in financial literacy, seminars. What do I always tell you? I'll speak in Tagalog. Hindi habang buhay, malinaw ang mata. Hindi habang buhay, malakas ang tuhod. At hindi habang buhay, malakas ang katawan. At pagka hindi na malinaw ang mata, pag hindi na matigas ang tuhod, pag hindi na malakas ang katawan, anong kailangan natin? Pera. So money, we need money when we are no longer that strong. So now is the time to do that.